Get out here, man. Go around, do some exploring, and it shall be a great day. So, yeah, man, I went out last night for a little bit to just kind of check out the nightlife in the area, and it was actually pretty cool. I stayed in the lower soy numbers, so I think where my hotel is soy 11 at the Solitaire Hotel. Really, really nice hotel. Matter of fact, that's it right over there in the corner. Alright. Very beautiful hotel. And really good people. I've noticed mostly that everyone here is nice as fuck. Like, you know, I haven't had any negative experiences, you know, with anyone that I've encountered. The coffee club, yes. You know, which is a great thing because, you know, you can go, there are times where you can go somewhere in the US and people will look at you weird. Yeah. Omelet, chipotle, sausage, prawn. So what they got? I just want some coffee. I just want coffee. Okay. Alright, can I just have a caramel macchiato? 4 here. And I would like it with coconut milk.
Hot caramel macchiato with coconut milk?
Yes. And you know, I said that's all I wanted. Do you have breakfast sandwiches?
Sorry?
Do you have breakfast sandwiches? All of the omelets. That's fine. I'll just take the class. Yep. That's all. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna sit outside. Okay. So, yes, man. Nah, you know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna sit over here. So, this is what's happening out here. It's almost 10 o'clock in the morning. So the city is kind of waking up. You know, when I got up earlier to go to the gym, it was still quite quiet out here. But since then, it's started to come alive, and people are getting out, and all of the noise that I heard yesterday when I first got here is back to waking up and being active as usual. I'm assuming as usual. Anyways, today shall be a chill day of some good exploring and getting out and seeing what the different things that Bangkok has to offer, as far as temples and street food, just a variety of different things that matter, that I like. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it quite a bit.
You YouTuber.
Yeah, YouTuber.
I TUK-TUK 70 baht. I think you allow go and TUK-TUK.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, now.
Not now.
Yeah, and 1 hour 50 baht. YouTuber. And,
1 hour 50 baht, huh?
yeah.
Ah.
You
And
have take you allow fun shop and looking YouTuber.
yeah.
My friend me take care.
Yeah, I will later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You, my friend take me same
Yeah.
YouTuber.
So when you ride around TUK-TUK, he record YouTube videos?
Yeah, YouTuber. Take YouTuber. My friend American. Same like this.
Yeah.
New York.
New York?
Yeah.
Really? Wow.
มาบอกมูเจ้ายูทูบเบอร์แล้วสิเพราะให้เจ้าพาไปเที่ยว50 บาทได้ก็ว่า
What's up, bro? Man.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
YouTuber?
Yeah.
Wow.
He said you're a YouTuber as well.
No, I'm not YouTuber, but I look up the guy YouTuber in from America.
Yeah.
In the live stream.
Okay.
Live stream him like the racing car.
Yeah.
Him the name Moda Sport.
And the motorsports.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Him?
Yeah. I haven't heard of him, but yeah, I get what you're saying.
But I think it's in America guy come to Thailand have a lot of live stream now. Many guy for the YouTuber.
Yeah.
For business Thailand.
Oh wow. So make your own videos?
Yeah, I have.
You make
me not video because him have camera.
Yeah.
Him have camera, but I take him to go somewhere that make a content.
Yeah.
Go some content.
So you took him to go make content.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make content. Take the video, show the people in
รอบผมว่า
Mega.
เนี่ยรอบผมว่า
Yeah. You should make your own content. All you gotta look, man. Get a camera when you out here. You can make your own. Yeah.
Yeah.
You make your content. Yeah.
Okay. After.
Where you want to do, I can do.
You can. Like every day. When people are out here and when you talking and having conversations, or when you riding around, you make your own content. Yeah.
You make business, I make business for take care of you.
Exactly.
Do content.
Exactly. Yeah. He said he was in New York.
Huh?
He was in New York.
Yes.
Yeah. How long?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm work there about more than 20 years.
Oh wow.
For TUK-TUK driver.
Yeah.
Before I'm Navy.
Yeah.
I'm Navy 2 years for the Thai man about 2021. Only office.
Oh wow.
He left line on.
Yeah.
But now I not right for Navy because I have family.
Yeah.
I come back to stay outside is better.
I understand. Wow. Oh.
คนอีกแก่
How many days you come back?
3 months.
Oh, 3 months.
Yeah.
Contract 3 months.
Yeah.
Contract 3 months and then after then go back home. Make a visa.
Oh no, I might stay. I'm thinking about moving here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody think about like that.
Yeah. I'm thinking about moving, and so I'm gonna stay here for a couple of months, and then like go to Chiang Mai, and then go to Pattaya, and then I'm gonna come back here to Bangkok and look for an apartment, somewhere to rent for a little while.
Oh wow, that's good.
Yeah.
Also, that's so good, but Pattaya more content.
At Pattaya?
Pattaya more content because Pattaya crazy party all the time, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, having the walking street, nighttime, have the beach, so many lady boys sitting in the beach, something that's good.
Yeah. Ah man.
So good, better for party, but it's in Chiang Mai better for mountain.
Better
Chiang Mai
for
have the mountain, night country have the white temple.
yeah.
In Chiang Mai, yeah.
And Chiang Mai, they have the temples there.
Chiang Mai, Phuket, Pattaya. Okay.
They have.
Bangkok on the location. Bangkok.
Okay.
Yeah.
They have a lot of temples in Chiang Mai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The temple have the white temple.
Yeah.
The Wat Rong, put the name Wat Rong, white temple. That's a good Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai, but not so much. Too many parties.
Yeah.
Better for location.
Better for location. Yeah.
If you love a lot of parties, I think walking street Pattaya.
Pattaya.
Pattaya 24 hours.
Oh shit.
All the time.
No sleep.
No sleep.
No sleep.
Bangkok, Nana Plaza.
Yeah.
Nana Plaza party.
Oh wow.
Nana Plaza nighttime.
Not Nana Plaza.
Yes. In the nighttime.
That's that way.
4, yeah.
Ah, okay.
And then Nana Plaza, Khao San Road, and Soy Cowboy.
Yeah, I went to Soy Cowboy last night, but it's small.
Yeah, it's small, but
Yeah.
Khao San big.
Khao San.
Khao San looks same the walking street.
Uh huh.
Khao San Road, long the street.
Khao San is a long street.
But it's the Cowboy Soy is small.
Yeah.
Short.
Yeah, very short. Yeah, I got on it, and maybe 5 minutes later, I was already done.
In the Nana Plaza, it's okay, but Nana Plaza have the building. You go up five floor.
Yeah.
The 1 floor lady boy, and have a separate bar. You know?
Oh shit.
Mini bar there. Lady dancing.
Yeah, lady there.
After you take it.
Yeah. He'll take me around.
Yes. Good man.
Yeah.
Driver.
Okay. All right.
After good.
Yeah. I think so. You be a good tour guide.
What you do today? After coffee?
After coffee, I'm gonna go meet a friend. Yeah, a friend is flying into town, so they're only gonna be here for a couple of hours before they catch their connecting flight back out. So I'm gonna go meet them really quick, and then after that, I want to go around. Yeah, so tuk-tuk to different places. Yeah.
Let me know if you anything fancy, come back.
Yeah. I plan on where I'm going. I think to yeah, I'm going down that way. Maybe 10 minutes that way, and then I'm gonna come back here to my hotel. And after I go to my hotel, then I want to get out and go around. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you're here,
Yeah.
then yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, I would like you to take me around.
Okay.
'Cause that was my plan for today anyways. But yeah, maybe like 12:30.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
We'll be there.
Okay.
I'll wait for you.
Okay. If you're here, I'll come see you.
June, I'm June.
You Jun?
June.
I'm Sean.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jun.
Vittaya.
How do you say?
Vittaya.
Taya?
Yes, Mr. Vittaya.
Big Taya.
Yeah.
Ah, son.
Vitaya boom boom a lot.
Good driver.
Okay. All right. Nice to meet you, my friend. All right. Yeah, I see you at 12:30.
Driver.
Yeah.
Where you go now? See your friend?
Yeah, go see my friend.
Okay, I wait for you.
All right, brother. I see you.
Yeah.
All right, brother. One thing about being out here is that it be hot, boy. Like, I have to, hello.
1 hour 50 baht.
No thank you. No thank you, no thank you. Yeah, man. Okay. Little luxury vans. Shit is nice. It's hell on the inside. You know, I was thinking I might get a tattoo while I'm here in Bangkok. Like, every time that I've traveled outside, oh, them laptops are so good. Every time that I've traveled outside of the U.S., except for Mexico, I've gotten a. No thank you. No thank you. No thank you. Every time I've traveled outside, no thank you. No thank you. Yeah. Yes. Later.
And that's me 2,000 baht. New law of Thailand. New law of this is,
So wear a helmet?
yes sir.
Okay.
You don't police adjust me 2,000.
So they don't charge you 2,000 baht. Okay, yeah. Okay. I don't want you to get charged 2,000 baht. No.
No problem.
You gotta make money. Okay.
Sorry, what?
It's okay.
Oh, very nice. Sorry, what? Sorry. You're a big boss.
Okay. Okay. Go meet up with a friend that is flying into town right now, and we don't have a long time to meet and exchange some what's ups and hugs and all of that stuff. So this is the most convenient way of getting around Bangkok. Not expensive and very, like when it comes to time, man, you talk about cutting time in half. You know, if you were sitting in a car, it would take you forever to get to where you gotta go. So if you're not afraid, jump on the back of one of these scooters and make your way around town. Think you would enjoy the journey. To everything that you're doing. So as you are traveling around a lot more, you can make sure that you're still able to be comfortable when you are in moments of relaxation.
Yeah, and I get many stares. Like I remember a lady literally like saying, "I would never like have all that stuff."
But she don't understand.
Yeah, it's like I know it's annoying, but like I'll take my blanket and pillow over everything, bro.
Yeah.
You guys don't understand. Like,
yeah.
I need that shit. And I even planned it out. Like, I knew which flight was my last flight that had a pillow and blanket. So I took the pillow and blanket from that flight, and then I use it for my next flights, and then get rid of it once I know I'm gonna get another blanket and pillow.
Right.
So I try my best, I swear, but it just don't be working.
Bruh, oh my God. I like to travel, but I don't know if I can move the way you be moving. Like, I like to get somewhere, sit down for like at least a week, maybe 2, and then go somewhere else.
I'm racing right now.
Yeah.
So it's a different situation, and I'm racing against people who are literally like doing it in a...
Wait, what the fuck do you mean you racing? Like,
I'm racing around the world right now with TUK-TUK Airlines.
What?
I've been posting about it nonstop. Like,
I just thought you were traveling just because you wanted to fucking go to these places.
No, that's included, but like I just started the race like September 29th. That's what this is. This is the race.
So this is an actual like competition thing that you are doing right now to go to.
Yes.
Oh,
the first person to get to 15 cities.
Yeah.
The 15 that they need, you get 5 million miles with TUK-TUK Airlines. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's a lot of like first class flights. Shit.
Even in the suite.
Yeah.
So yeah. So that's what I'm racing for. And then I'm also doing the if I win, you win. So I'm giving away miles if I win. So.
Yeah. Interesting. You gonna give me some miles? I appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah.
Not you. I'm giving them away. Just like I'm giving stuff away. It's a sweepstakes. You're gonna have to sign up.
Gotta sign up?
Just like everybody else. You ain't
Man, come on now. You ain't just shoot me like 20,000 miles. You know what I'm saying? Even though I know that's nothing, but I know it's nothing, but still it's something. It can go. You know, I can get me some complimentary, beverages or some shit like
I'm
that.
Dead. You'd be better off traveling with me and getting like lounges.
Yeah, man.
Literally.
Yeah, yo. Oh man, we're getting back out today. Gonna go do some more exploring and traveling around. Go check out a couple places, man. Maybe the floating market today. Started my day kind of late today, so I went to grab some coffee and something to eat. But now just out and about, man, riding around. I go check some things out. My man here. Get out of here. Get off my hopefully y'all can hear me. But I know I didn't want to do a bunch of walking today, that's for certain. And I also wanted to see more of Bangkok, so feel like this is gonna be the best way of getting around and traveling and, you know, seeing other places that's out here. It's not this Nana Plaza down there.
Yeah.
Ah, somebody told me about Nana Plaza. Yeah. Nighttime?
Party.
What day?
Huh?
Any day?
Every day.
Every day.
Start 7 or 8 p.m.
7 or 8 p.m. every day.
to midnight.
Yeah.
1 a.m. or 2 a.m. every day.
Yeah?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
I love the party, bro.
Yeah. The fort. What building there?
This the Nana Plaza for the view for the bar, a coco. Something.
Yeah.
Lady show, something.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah, okay. I'll probably go tonight.
Yes.
Yeah.
But if you go inside, you cannot open the camera. Camera not allowed.
Yeah, no cameras.
No camera.
Okay.
Only you see memory.
Yeah.
Because if you go inside the bar, some of coco lady open everything. Really.
Inside the bar.
For sure.
Yeah.
Here, I have idea for you. If you have no camera, somewhere
Yeah.
you can do.
Then you can see.
Yes.
Ah.
To save everything. If you not save, somebody is see, check for you.
Yeah.
You do it without money.
Ah, okay.
You know
Okay.
what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, I get
Why?
it.
Because you're smart. You YouTuber. You camera. You know everything what you do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh baby, today inside Bangkok now, same I take care you now to the long railroad or something. I think today Bangkok have the floating market, but not big, but small. But you not see only the highlight Bangkok, not only floating market.
Uh-huh.
The highlight Bangkok, you can see the view. You show the right, you show the light strip.
Uh-huh.
You can see the view, everything.
See
You can
the-
see the Thai village, Thai house, passing the view temple.
Yeah.
Like that, that's cool. If tomorrow you have time, you want to show the chat to the big floating market, you can go outside for more better.
Yeah.
If you have a lot of time,
Yeah.
one day you can go outside.
Because it's gonna take a lot of time to get
Yes,
here.
yes.
Yeah.
But if you have to go after that, you want to go somewhere, you can do for inside for allow passing the temple like that.
Uh-huh.
That's so easy.
Yeah.
Better.
Yeah. See, that's why I wanted to stay inside today, because I didn't.
After maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, you want to go somewhere meeting some of your friends, you can do.
Yeah.
Because
There's a-
next this one for the Lumpini Park
Lumpini Park.
for exercise. Everyone want to come for exercise, jogging.
Okay.
The park, big park.
So I heard of Lumpini Park.
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't know how far it was from where I'm staying at, but I heard of it. Before I came here, I would look at the map,
Yeah.
like Google Map.
Yeah.
And
Google Map look for small. If
Uh-huh.
you go this long,
yeah,
same in the world for Google Map.
really.
If you go somewhere nearby, you check Google nearby, but if you go long,
Ah, okay.
you make out where you stay, Tesla.
Huh?
Where you stay, Tesla, Chicago, New York, or where you
California.
or California. Oh,
Yeah.
California, that's good money.
yeah.
I know, bro.
Yeah, very.
Yeah, see, program will tell you where you want to do.
So I call my friend. Yeah. What is this?
Yes, I have the tour boat.
Oh,
Tour
okay.
boat, how long you want to take? The 1 hour, 1 hour and 1.5.
1 hour and 1.5.
Yeah.
Where does the boat go? Where does it take you?
Surely, in 1 hour the boat start from here.
Uh-huh.
You can take you on the river here, passing the temple, passing the water balloon, passing the Grand Parade. After take you go a little bit canal,
Yeah.
passing there, passing the Thai old city.
Yeah.
And see the old city, see the old houses there. Take you return. back here.
And then back here, that's the whole hour.
The 1 hour.
Understood. Okay. All right.
Hour tour. What is
That
Customer come too.
it's nice. It's really
Event.
nice on the inside.
Yeah. You want to sit one day? I have van. I have my friend driving VIP van.
You got one? You got a friend that drive one?
My friend.
For
My
real?
friend and driving.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
3407.
Nice to meet you, man. What's up, brother?
YouTuber.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Here, you hold that. You record yourself. You YouTube. Nah, it's on you.
Oh.
Yeah, you talk. You say something.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, it's on you. What's up, bro? Oh, you taking me on the tour? You the captain? You the captain now. All right, so you gonna stay here?
Yeah.
All right. That's cool. I could do that.
Okay, follow him.
Yeah.
Then finish hour. Boat take you back there. I wait for you, bro. Enjoy your time.
All right, brother.
Chat.
All right, all right.
Show the chat.
My friend. On tour. Okay. You give me a free drink?
Let's go.
What's up, bro? You giving me a free drink or no? Huh?
Okay.
I ain't get no free drink? Yeah.
You buy it.
I gotta buy it too?
Yeah.
Oh man, not complimentary? No.
Yeah, what's
How much?
Cola?
Huh? How much?
20 baht.
20 baht?
Yeah. Okay. ครับผมครับเดี๋ยวนั่งรอ
Yeah, let me get a water.
ครับผม
Yeah. Let me get a water.
20
Can I pay when I come back?
No, you pay now.
Pay now? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm thirsty right now. So I need something. All right. Hey man, if my camera footage is all over the place, yeah.
สวัสดีครับโซเชียล
What?
แคม
Yeah. Record yourself. You talk.
Where you from?
Where you from?
I
What?
from
You from here?
I from Dubai.
You from Dubai?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. You same?
Yeah. Nah, I'm from the U.S. I'm from America.
What's your name, man?
I'm Sean.
My name is Yasin.
Yasin. Nice to meet you, Yasin.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, he's a good man here. Yeah, my man, we out here. he the YouTuber now. Yasin from Dubai. All right, brother. Yeah, so this is cool. All right. All right, right here. To the side. Yeah. I want to go over there. Whatever that is over there, I got to go there. Take my backpack off? All right. Hey. So we got to get, I throw this backpack, take my backpack off and throw this life vest on. There, okay? All right. This motherfucker sound like he go fast, boy. I can't even hold you. hear that motor? That motor sound like it get up. Get up there. Alright. Yo. Yeah, man. That motherfucker sound like it get moving. My man's out here. Can't believe that this is where I am in this world and this is what I'm doing. Like, it's almost, man, like, this is unbelievable. Like, truly, it's truly unbelievable that this is where I am. I'm in Bangkok, Thailand, riding a riverboat right now. You know, today is Monday, and just last Thursday, I was in California, in LA. I ain't gonna like, had a great apartment, you know, but I was mildly depressed, man. These people over here living good. They living real good. Oh, that was the hotel. Yeah, nice. I really wish that my family could be here. Like my mom, my little brothers, my aunts and uncles. I wish all of them could be here right now to experience this. My girl, you know, this is an experience, man, that, you know, it's once in a lifetime. Something that I would want to come back for multiple times or continue to do for the rest of my life. Yeah, man, this is an experience that just unlike any other. And I'm grateful that I'm in a position to be able to have this type of experience in my life, to be able to purchase a plane ticket and leave the United States and travel to a different country and live here and eat and meet people from all over the world. Like, I was talking to a guy this morning from Israel, you know, and another guy that was from India. Like, we got a black guy from America, a Muslim guy from Israel, and an Indian guy from India sitting down in a coffee shop having a conversation. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is the type of stuff that can be done here, you know, or it's the type of stuff that's done when you get outside of America. Because in America, people kind of like stick to themselves. You know, they don't necessarily socialize amongst other groups of people. But, you know, here you get to see this is how people living. Like this lady, she living right there, right off of the water. That's crazy. That's somebody's home right next to what appears to be a mansion. Very interesting, man. Very, very interesting. But you also, like, you see stuff like that, but you also get to mingle with and meet people that are from other places. You know, so I think that, you know, in an experience like this, man, you should definitely, or to experience something like this, you have to step outside your comfort zone. You have to get outside of what you are used to doing and just, you know, allow yourself the freedom to explore. Because this is something that I will always remember. And, you know, I can show my family and my friends and my loved ones, my kids, you know, this is a lifestyle. Yeah. You would think that there was a fucking collapse or some shit, man. They really right off in the water. Like, that's crazy. Wow. It's different, bro. People really live like this. Out here just chilling. Oh, Sawadika. How are you, my friend?
Oh, happy. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Oh, number one.
Sawadika, my friend.
Sawadika.
Banana?
Banana. Beer, cola, water.
Damn, I left my water.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I know. I have a lot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Beer?
Water.
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 One beer for the diver?
One beer? Yeah? Alright, one beer for the driver. My friend. Thank you. What's this? Can I have this water? No, thank you. No, thank you.
Hay là ta trên bột. Cắt.
I'll take the book. No, thank you. How much?
450.
450.
ไม่ต้องหมุนได้เลย
Oh, that's a lot, man. I have
Thái.
Oh, they got 250.
No.
I have 250.
แปลก็เลยต่องงตกใจ
I have 250.
โอ้50คิดเป็น400 บาทตอน
Nah, I don't have 400 baht. That's 200 baht.
ได้400จะน้อย
And
400 บาท
I have a 50 baht.
No 400 บาทเต็มวันโบ๊ท
can't.
วันโบ๊ทนะ 400 บาท
No, not 400 baht. Not
ธรรม
400.
ดามัน450
No.
คิด400 บาท
Not 400 baht. No.
500 I send
I have to have baht for me.
ยังนิ่ง
Yeah.
ๆโอ้ number one
Yeah, I have fun.
เนี่ย
Here.
คิดเป็น400 บาท
Yeah.
400
No. I'm gonna take two of them, 3 of them.
คิด
T50
That two, 250 baht. One water.
300 บาทโอเคอีก
Well, I got one water.
and the
Beer
boat
for my driver.
boat
And I take three. And I take two bananas. Okay.
and the boat ก็200 บาทแล้วบางที100 บาทแต่โบ๊ท200
The boat 200. Yeah, you see this? This man trying to get me, man. He trying to finesse me.
and then Thailand
No.
เอาโบ๊ทมาบานาน่าไปเอาโบ๊ทมาบานาน่าไป
No.
เอาโบ๊ทมาโบ๊ท
Nah, you keep the bananas.
โบ๊ท
Yeah, I want the boat. I want the boat. Yeah, I want.
อีก50 บาทอีก
Huh?
50
I don't have 50 baht no
ดอล
more.
ลาร์2 ดอลลาร์ ดอลลาร์
I don't have it.
ดอลลาร์
I gotta keep for myself.
ดอลลาร์นะ
I
มัน
gave
นี่
you-
เร็ว50
I gave you 250 baht.
ได้ดูอีก
Yeah.
ธรรมดาโฟ50คิดเป็น400นี่คิดเป็น300โอเค
That's all I got, my friend.
โบ๊ท200บานาน่าว
Yeah.
อเตอร์1 beer 100อีก50 บาทโอเคเต็ม
I know.
อีก50 บาท
Let me see.
เ
Maybe. I don't know. I don't think I got it.
50 นั่นแหละ
Nah, I don't got it. Man, I don't have it.
So during this tour, it actually started to rain. So my guy, he pulled me from up in the front to back here in the back. So now, we just cruising. Sim and I, while it's raining out, it's not raining too hard, but it's coming down just a little bit out there. I personally enjoyed it. I was sitting right up there in the front. I probably would have been soaking wet though. So yeah. Now I'm sitting back here in the back, man, while it's starting to come down a lot more. Oh yeah, it's coming down. And we're just chilling, man, heading back to to my drop-off spot. That way I can finish the rest of my tour. If anything, I'll probably go, if the rain keeps up, I will probably go back to my hotel for a little bit and grab something to eat and just chill until the rain stops. It came over there. Oh, okay. Man, thank you, my friend. Hell, the part that my mic filter came off my mic, man, and my driver found it. It is floating back in the back in a puddle. That's funny. It's a unique boat right here. What they got going on there, man? Yeah. Anywho's, today has been a spectacular day. Just enjoying it, going with the moments, man. Not in no rush. But I am considering moving out here or living here for a little while. So I'm gonna go do something. As long as the rain doesn't continue, I'm gonna go to check out a couple of condos, and hopefully, I can find something good that is going to cost a lot of money to move into. I've always heard that it's much cheaper or inexpensive. I don't like to use the word cheap, but I've heard that it's more inexpensive to live out here. So we're gonna see. All right. Anyways, in the meantime, man, me and my car driving. We're cooling it. And we're gonna go ahead and make it back to our destination. And then I'm gonna continue my day.